Erie. Gold Mouth Garage. Going back with another little small video on the off-road mower. Or the street mower. Because the bitch ain't gonna be off-road for sure. So, I came out here and got my wiring all taken care of. Ran me ignition with a key. You know what I'm saying? Turn the key on. Come around the front. You got them halo headlights. They some rings in there. You can't see the ring. But it's just a round ring. You see it now? Hell yeah. So we got that lights on. We got some little blinkers on the front piece. They just for looks. I just got them on there for looks. And around the back, we got this tail light I dug out of my shit that I got sitting around in the reflectors. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit this thing with some paint. Hot water my pulley. I told y'all, man, this thing running. You see that? Let's see if I can get the starter real quick. No, we didn't get it to start. But yeah, she ready. I've been messing with those lights all day. I peeled all the stickers off. So I might have charged my battery up a little bit. It ain't been running in a few days, but it's running. I just wanted to bring y'all a little slight video. Show y'all what Gold Mouth been doing, you know what I mean? Been getting the lights hooked up. Got all my wiring taken care of. As you can see. So yeah. That's my switch. It kind of matches up with everything. It's on the off position. And right there is the lights. You know. And then on. And then start. Bam. So yeah, she coming along, man. I ordered my 10-inch pulley. I got that big 10-inch pulley for the front.